Welcome to day 3 of our ASP .NET ASMX API 10-day tutorial series. Today, we are building a distributor list API using ASMX. Before REST, before JSON, there was ASMX. And even today, legacy systems still breathe. Understanding ASMX opens hidden doors in enterprise development. Let us begin. The distributor list model represents a single distributor in your system. Each property from party ID and party code to address and place maps directly to the columns returned by your stored procedure. This model becomes the foundation for building clean, structured API responses. To fetch the distributor list, we pass the salesman ID to the stored procedure. The database returns all distributors assigned to that salesman. If no records are found, we handle it gracefully by returning a meaningful message instead of an empty response. Once the data table is filled, we loop through each row, map the values to our model, and add the model to a list. This list becomes the JSON output. This pattern is simple, powerful, and reusable across all your list-based APIs. After building the list, we serialize it into JSON and write it to the response. This ensures compatibility with mobile apps, web apps, and any client that consumes your APIs. This stored procedure retrieves all distributors linked to a specific salesman. It's clean, fast, and easy to maintain, a perfect example of how stored procedures simplify API development. Always check for null values, convert data type safely, and assign default values when needed. These small steps prevent runtime errors and make your API more reliable. When no distributors are found, return a clear status and message. This helps the mobile app display meaningful feedback instead of showing a blank screen. That completes day 3. Your practical task is simple but powerful. Build the getDistributorList method and test it using a sample salesman ID. Focus on clean parameters, clear output, and correctness. This is how real APIs are built in enterprise systems. Complete this task before moving to day 4.